Greetings all and welcome to Purple Trades. In today's video, I am going to show you how to apply for IPOs using Zerodha Demat account in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. So I am going to apply for an ongoing IPO by logging into my trading account. One important point to note is that you need not have money in your trading account to apply for IPO. It should be in your bank account. So as you can see, here I have logged in and I just have 290 rupees in my trading account and I can still apply for IPO. To apply for IPO, I'll just click on my ID and then go to console. Now in console, I'll click on portfolio and then there will be a drop down option of IPOs. Click on it and you will see a list of ongoing IPOs. As you can see on my screen, these are the ongoing IPOs. There are CarTrade, Aptus, Novoco, etc. As I go down, I can also see those IPOs which were recently closed. Now typically the value of one lot of IPO is around 15,000 rupees. So you can see that IPO price band for CarTrade is between 1585 to 1618. That means 1585 is its floor price and 1618 is its capping price. That means 1618 is the highest price that you can bid for CarTrade. And you can see that the lot size is 9. So basically you get 9 shares in the range of 1585 to 1618. That sums up to approximately 15,000 rupees. Now to apply for this IPO, simply click on apply and a pop-up box like this will appear on your screen. Now this will have some basic details and link of red herring prospectus and subscription data. To subscribe to this IPO, mention your UPI ID and then fill in the number of shares you want to buy. Remember, it should be a multiplier of lot size. Now for CarTrade, the lot size is 9. So enter 9 or multiple of 9. To increase the probability of getting IPO, you can bid at the highest price, also called as cutoff price. For CarTrade, it is 1618, so I am selecting it. In case you want to give any custom price from the band range, you can also mention it here. While applying for IPO, you get to place 3 bids, and if you are lucky, any one of these bid will be selected for IPO allotment and you will get the IPO allotted. It is not necessary to fill all the 3 bids. In this case, I am just going to fill say 2 bids. First is for 1 lot at cutoff. Second is for 2 lots at cutoff. Now accept the disclosure agreement and then click on submit. It will reflect the amount payable. Since my highest bid is 2 lots, I am supposed to maintain at least 29,128 in my account to apply for IPO. After clicking on submit, once you submit, you will get a notification that your application is submitted successfully and you will get an alert on your UPI app to make the payment. Remember, IPO application time in Indian market is from 10 AM to 5 PM only. So make sure you apply for IPO during that time, else the portal will throw you errors. Now till I get the notification on my mobile, let me show you the roadmap of an IPO. Usually, IPO lasts for 3 days. As you can see, CarTrade IPO offers started on 9th of August and is valid till 11th of August. Once the bidding is completed, it usually takes 6 days to finalize allotment. In these 6 days, it is decided who gets the share and who gets the refund. And to those whom shares are not allotted, the refund is done the next day. In our case, it will be on 18th of August. And in case the shares are allotted, they are credited to your account in 3 to 4 days after allotment finalization. In our case, it is on 20th. So on 20th, a user will get shares credited if IPO is allotted. So after 3 days of Demat transfer, the shares are finally listed on the exchange and are available for trading and investing in secondary market. And post 1 week of listing, the mandate ends. Now as I can see, I've got SMS for applying on IPO. I will use PhonePe to apply for IPO. So I'll click on the link, it will directly open PhonePe, and there is an autopay request already of CarTrade on my screen. I'll just click on view details and enable autopay by clicking on accept once, and once I do it, the autopay is set successfully. That means if the shares are allotted, the amount will be debited, else the amount will be unblocked after the mandate ends. So in just 5 minutes, we have learned how to apply for IPO. You can also open an account in Zerodha with the link in description and start trading, investing and applying for IPO. Thank you so much for watching this video. Spread knowledge cause it's free, and if you like our content, do like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.